It's time for the 5-gallon bucket challenge update. And it's so much more now. Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. Okay, and I transplanted one over here. It was kind of a rushed, quick and dirty method, but hopefully it'll actually survive the transplant. We'll see, I guess, if this grows right. I'll add some mulch to this one too. And that third one, I have it in this container right now. It was just a quick and dirty transplant. Let's see. I was kind of rushing it a little here to get it going. I'll have to give this some water too. Let's see. Let's see if I can maintain this one a little bit longer. Alright, well, I'm clearing the space around it right now, this tomato plant. I took the strongest one. Or what I thought was the strongest one. You could see the leaves on it and stuff like that. Now, I do have this trellis I could use, but it's kind of big right now. And I don't need to put it on yet. However, what I will do is I'm going to use some saplings and bend them into shape. And you're probably wondering, why are you doing this, CR? Because I'm going to give it some support right now. I'm just going to put them in here, as you can see. Give this a little bit of support. Give this a little. Now this one didn't stick in, but I'm gonna give this a little bit of support here with a few sticks around there, just for now. Just for now. I use this one right here. Just to give it a little bit of support. And not only that, so I can get the leaves up higher and such. Now this is just going to be a temporary thing until I can actually get this more around it. I mean, I can get this on right now, but I'm not sure how big it'll get, so I'll do this first. And maybe the next update I might actually show the cage part of it. So you can see the cotyledon leaves, the baby leaves right there. I don't have to pinch them yet, but eventually I will. But I'm just gonna support them up a little bit more. I mean, this plant is doing really, really well, guys. It's been about just under 30 days. It's probably like 26 days, give or take. Because I'm actually recording this in the earlier part of June right now, on a Wednesday. Oh, and by the way, everyone, I didn't say this in the last 2 updates, but I will say it now. I do appreciate this challenge from Outdoors with Big Matt, and of course, you know, the associated channels that are also doing this, including Jason, Cliff, and Colan, which all the links will be in the description down below. I do appreciate this challenge. They kind of tagged me in, and I was like, yeah, why not, right? This is kind of interesting to do. So one thing I'm gonna do here, I got some compost mixed in with some water here. Just gonna give it quote unquote feeding a little bit more, because it's a little bit more established now. So I'll just give it a little bit, not too much. like so. And what I'm gonna do here is take some grass clippings right here and use it as mulch. So I'm gonna mulch it quite well now. This is why I wanted to clear it so I can stick the sticks in and all that stuff. Just gonna add this in here. So I'm gonna mulch this quite well now. Since it will be summer eventually, give it some mulch here, some quote-unquote protection, some armor, as some people out there call it, for the plant here. I'll adjust this a little here. And that's why I wanted to do the watering beforehand. Now this will kind of protect the surface and kind of reduce moisture or water loss from the ground. And eventually, hopefully eventually, it'll get big enough, probably maybe let's say half a foot or so, and I can start watering from the bottom instead. Because as soon as the roots start touching the bottom, I can start watering from the bottom. Right now, I'm pretty sure the roots aren't that deep. They're probably only like this deep, right? Probably maybe a quarter or half way down the container. So I'm not done doing bottom watering yet, but eventually I will. Let's just add a little bit more in. Right here. I guess I shall leave this in. Hey, this is for Big Matt right here. The peanut gallery, right? I swear I didn't plan this, by the way. It just happened to show up. I swear I didn't plan that, by the way. I did not plan that whatsoever. So as this grows up, I may or may not pinch the cotton leading leaves, the baby leaves off once it actually starts to get more established. But now I'm gonna support those leaves a lot more so they stay off the ground and actually are supported, and then hopefully grow above it and, you know, start getting some strength in it and such. And every so often I'll give it some watering. It's looking great, isn't it, guys? And like always, everyone, remember,
as our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.